Hey, what's up YouTube? Houston here. For those of you just finding my YouTube channel, welcome. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and that bell. And for those of you that's been following me and supporting me, salute. And for my favorite patrons, always double salute. Now, today's video, we're actually going to be talking about instant business loans. So if you have a side hustle, a LLC, a DBA, this is definitely the video you want to check out because there's a new lender out there that may be able to help you get some funding, and they don't do a credit check. As a matter of fact, there's a couple lenders in this video that don't do a credit check. So if you're trying to get funding and you're generating some revenue, these lenders may be the best ones for you. Now, understanding that these lenders, they're not relying on you having a DUNS number. They're not relying on you having net 30 accounts, nor are they relying on you having a PAYDEX score. All right. Now, also, just keep in mind with these lenders, most of these lenders do not report to the business credit bureaus, nor do they report to the personal credit bureau. So just keep that in mind. All right. Now, here's the thing about it. I always tell you guys, is if you're operating your business, you should have one of these major banks, okay? And the reason that you want to have one of these major banks, because this is what helps you build up your business bank rating faster, as well as your business funding. So you have to have one of these, and one of the key things in terms of having these, especially if you're a gig worker, you have a side hustle and stuff, being able to make daily deposits or weekly deposits help build up your business bank rating much faster and helps you qualify for funding. Now, another thing that I have been telling you guys, and we're going to talk about it in reference to the reason why you should consider having a PayPal business account as well. Now, here's the thing about it. There's a company out there called Giggle Finance. And for those of you that may be already familiar with them, put a comment below. Let me know if you all had success with them. Did you like them? How fast did you get your funding? Give me some feedback so the rest of us would know what's going on with them, okay? But here's the data points on them. They offer cash loans to gig workers. So if you're doing DoorDash, Instacart, your side hustle or whatever, TaskRabbit, those type of companies or whatever, and you've been doing business with them, this here's that lender that you want to go to. Now, here's the thing about it. It is a peer-to-peer lending platform. But at the moment, you can borrow up to $5,000. But to my understanding, they're planning on branching out because it is a platform. They are planning on branching out for you to be able to borrow more money. Okay, now the good thing about it, you don't have to worry about your credit. Okay, so it has nothing to do with your credit, but you have to have at least a business bank account and be in business for at least 3 months. Okay, that's something that's very important when it comes to a lot of these lenders. If you have an active, positive bank account for your business, all right? Now, another thing you have to think about, they state that they give you up to 12 months before you start paying back the loan. Now, again, I never took out a loan for them, so for those of you that may have used them, could you verify if that's true on your end? This is what they're saying. I don't know what the experience was, but hey, to be able to take out a loan and they give you up to 12 months before you start paying it back, I think it's pretty good. All right, but again, I would definitely want to verify that, okay? Now, like I said, they do not report to the business credit bureaus, nor do they report to the personal credit, okay? They do take a look at your business bank account to determine how much they're willing to loan you, all right? So again, it may be higher than $5,000, all right? Now, for those of you that are gig workers and stuff, and you're trying to figure out or have a side hustle and you're trying to figure out how to set up your business properly or making sure you pick the right friendly NAICS code for borrowing, click the link in the description or check out HoustonMcMiller.com. schedule one-on-one consultation. Now, with McKinsey Capital, okay, their situation, you have to be in business for at least 3 months, no hard pull on the credit, and be making at least $5,000. So for any of these lenders that I talk about, guys, let me know if you used them and what did you like about them, what did you dislike about them, okay? Now you have Nearside, and I did a video on Nearside in terms of what their loans and stuff like that. And the interesting thing about it, after 90 days, they loan you up to $10,000, okay? But you have to have an account with them, and you have to be making sure that you're making your regular deposits and everything. So I made a full video. I put the link below. Now, talking about PayPal. PayPal has 2 types of business loans. PayPal has business loans where you have a business account with them. As a matter of fact, I just made a video about the new PayPal business credit card when I was up at PayPal. And in terms of, they have 2 types of business loans, okay? They have the loan builder where you don't have to use PayPal platform in order to generate revenue or take payments. So that's one of the things about it. And the cool part about it is that, like I said, they looking at you at a short amount of time, like with the PayPal loan builder, 9 months. But I did a full video so you can check it out. And again, it has nothing to do with a paydex score or DUNS number. This is mostly focusing on the revenue that's coming in, okay? Then you have Reliant Funding, small business loans. Now, they do merchant cash advance. Their loans go from $5,000 up to $40,000. I know a lot of people that have multiple merchant cash advances or whatever, but the average credit score is a 525, but there's nothing about Dun and Bradstreet or anything. You have to be in business at least 6 months, monthly revenue at least $5,000, okay? Now, you have Divy. Divy is a line of credit, okay? And so they're soft pull on the FICO 9, but here's the thing about it that I continue to tell you guys. With Divy, if you're not instantly approved, even if you have bad credit, if you're not instantly approved, they do have a credit builder, and it still reports to the business credit bureaus. That's the thing about it. You still want to be able, with having the proper bank account, making the daily or weekly deposits, and have accounts like this reporting to your business credit file to help build up your business bank rating as well, so that you can get qualified for funding. Okay? So, if you have any other questions, you can check me out at HoustonMcMiller.com, HoustonMcMiller.net, threewayfunding.com. Either of those, you can check us out and schedule one-on-one consultation. We can take a look at your personal credit, your business credit, talk about business credit funding strategies, talk about personal credit funding strategies. So this is Houston. Look forward to speaking with you. Thank you.